Thursday the 6th. Just finished trading. It's a little bit late because I got off work at 2:30 in the morning, and then I woke up. I got like 4 hours of sleep. But other than that, I'm up 352 on 20 accounts. So
All right, I'm gonna be on shorts real quick. Yeah. Yeah, grab liquidity on the 15. Uh, all right, I'm out. Let's fucking go 350. Wait.
and here's the proof. I made, like I said, 352 on 20 accounts. Execution right here. But one thing, I try to not get too excited. Why? Because it's technically still not real money until it hits my bank. So I don't want to get too attached to the accounts also, and like feel bad or feel fucking terrible just because I lost my accounts or this and that, you know? So that's why I try to not get too attached. But anyways, I'm gonna probably just head to the gym, and I'm gonna try to record some gym content. I don't know if y'all fuck with that, but also join the Discord. It's in the link in the bio. I try to join. Well, lately I've been on the live calls every day at 7:20 all the way to 8:30. California time. So I don't know, East Coast. That's 3 hours more. So from 10:30 to 11:30. But yeah, if y'all want to join, just talk for a while, or just chat in Discord. I don't mind. It's not as active as I wanted it to be, but I mean that's why I need y'all guys to join and just get this shit lit. Good morning, YouTube. It's Friday the 7th, and I took my second loss of the week with this catch. Got caught in this hard dump. I used a 15-minute low with a 45-minute fair value gap. Didn't play out. It's okay. Like I said, I don't win 100% of the time, and then I'm still up for the week. One thing, I got very lucky because I only lost 227 because there was a lot of volume and the candles were pretty heavy. So TraderVate and TradingView wasn't in sync. So when TradingView hits my stop loss, I closed out manually and I only lost 227. So can't complain. Still up 1,000 for the week, I believe. So not bad. Hopefully I can have the same results next week, and I should be on my road for a payout that Friday. If not that Friday, the following week. As long as I get a payout, I'll be happy. But other than that, pretty solid week. Made money. Can't complain. Probably just get a little workout, get my body right, get my mind right. That's something I need to work on, is my body, because I've been slacking on my diet, but I'm getting better at my diet, just killing those dirty habits. But I'll probably roll some gym footage right now. YouTube. I'm probably just out to the gym, probably hit a little session with the boys. This is my setup, by the way. It's overkill, but it feels cool trading with multiple monitors. Also, one thing I was gonna ask if you think I should switch it to that background, like flip it completely, or just switch it to the window. Because when I see that I'm doing the little live trades, you can see the whole fucking kitchen, and my studio is pretty small. So if I flip it, it's gonna look weird, but then it's gonna look better for y'all, because I'm planning to add like some type of light over there, and it's gonna look fucking way better. But then also if I add it to the window, the lighting is cool. Look, the lighting here is cool, but I don't know. But anyways, I'll probably just hit a little quick session with my boy Eric, and I'll probably get some footage for y'all. All right, boys, see y'all there.
Family, movement, good exercise, good music, good clothes, good food. These are the things I love. Competition. I love competition. I love it. It's getting harder to find it. Getting harder and harder to find it. But I fucking love it when I find it. Let's go, gentlemen. Let's go. Come on, guys.